1. 1936 Ford sedan. Price: $29,500. Located Ashland, Kentucky. This 1936 Ford sedan is a beautifully styled two-door slantback that has been transformed into a custom hot rod project with a strong foundation and impressive upgrades already completed. Featuring a 4-inch chopped roof, the car has a lowered and aggressive profile that enhances its classic pre-war design while giving it a modern street rod presence. Finished in a fresh red exterior, it stands out with a bold look complemented by steel wheels and wide white wall tires. Under the hood, this build is powered by a freshly assembled 327 small block engine paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. The addition of a 3 deuces carburetor setup provides both performance and vintage appeal, making it an exciting car to drive. The vehicle is equipped with power steering and air conditioning, offering a blend of classic style and modern comfort. Much of the major work has already been completed, including new paint, new glass, and updated wiring throughout the car. The interior components are included but not yet installed, giving the next owner the opportunity to finish the cabin to their personal preference. Additional parts such as a new gas tank and radiator are also included. This Ford sedan runs and drives, making it a solid project nearing completion, ideal for enthusiasts seeking a unique and customizable classic hot rod. 2. 1931 Model A Ford Hot Rod. Price: $48,000. Located Florence, Kentucky. This 1931 Model A Ford Hot Rod is a classic all-steel build that combines timeless pre-war styling with upgraded performance and modern refinements. Featuring a complete body with fenders and running boards, this vehicle maintains its traditional look while benefiting from a comprehensive restoration. Carefully stored indoors in a climate-controlled environment, it has been preserved in excellent condition, making it a standout example for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, this Model A is powered by a reliable 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. This proven combination offers smooth power delivery and dependable performance, making it suitable for both cruising and long-distance driving. The engine bay has been enhanced with chrome components and ceramic-coated headers, adding both visual appeal and improved durability. The interior has been recently redone with new materials, providing a clean and comfortable cabin that complements the exterior restoration. Additional updates include a new battery and various refreshed components throughout the vehicle, ensuring it is ready for immediate enjoyment. This hot rod offers a balanced blend of originality and performance upgrades. With its strong mechanical setup and well-maintained condition, it is an excellent choice for those seeking a classic American hot rod that is both stylish and reliable. 3. 1929 Ford Model A. Price: $24,900. Located Winchester, Kentucky. This 1929 Ford Model A is a custom-built hot rod that blends classic styling with modern drivability and comfort. Featuring a fiberglass body, this vehicle has been carefully assembled to provide a lightweight yet durable platform. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, it presents a sharp and refined appearance that stands out at shows or on the road. Powered by a 350 cubic inch small block engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, this Model A delivers smooth acceleration and reliable performance. The addition of an electric cooling fan ensures consistent temperature control, making it suitable for warm weather driving. It is also equipped with a heater, allowing for comfortable use in cooler conditions. The suspension system includes a Mustang 2 front end and a 4-link rear setup with coilover shocks, providing improved handling and ride quality. Rack and pinion steering enhances control, while power windows and an integrated sound system add convenience and modern features to the driving experience. This vehicle also features a removable top and rear seating, increasing its versatility. With its strong mechanical setup and thoughtful upgrades, this Model A is an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a stylish and functional classic hot rod. 4. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe. Price: $36,000. Located Lebanon, Tennessee. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe is a fully customized hot rod built with performance and classic styling in mind. Featuring an all-steel body, this vehicle has undergone significant modifications to create a bold and aggressive appearance. The 6-inch roof chop enhances its low-profile stance, while the black exterior and matching interior provide a sleek and cohesive look. At the heart of this build is a powerful 383-stroker engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. This combination delivers strong performance and smooth operation, making it ideal for both cruising and spirited driving. The drivetrain is supported by a 9-inch rear end, ensuring durability and strength under load. The chassis is built on a Pete and Jake's frame, known for its quality and performance capabilities. 4-wheel disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the high-flow fuel system supports the engine's performance demands. Additional features such as electric windows and a tilt steering will enhance comfort and usability. With low miles since completion, this Model A Coupe is a well-executed build that offers both performance and style. It is a great option for enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-drive hot rod with strong visual appeal and modern upgrades. 5. 1929 Ford Model A Coupe. Price $25,500, located Middletown, Ohio. This 1929 Ford Model A Coupe represents a beautifully preserved example of early American automotive history, offering a balance between originality and careful restoration. Finished in a classic brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this vehicle maintains its authentic vintage character while benefiting from important mechanical updates. The body reflects the timeless design that made the Model A iconic, with clean lines and a well-maintained structure that has been garage-kept over the years. Under the hood, the engine has been fully rebuilt with new bearings, ensuring reliable performance for modern driving conditions. The transmission and rear end have also been rebuilt and installed recently, making this car mechanically refreshed and ready for the road. In addition, the braking system has been upgraded with new components, providing improved safety and confidence behind the wheel. New tires further enhance drivability, allowing this classic to perform smoothly whether cruising through town or attending local events. Originally restored in 1979, the car has been carefully maintained ever since, preserving its originality while keeping it functional. It has earned recognition by winning multiple trophies at car shows, highlighting its appeal among enthusiasts and collectors alike. With its strong running condition and classic styling, this Model A is ideal for tours, weekend drives, or display at vintage gatherings. 6. 1927 Ford Model T Coupe Hot Rod. Price $18,500, located Maynardville, Tennessee. This 1927 Ford Model T Coupe Hot Rod is a unique blend of early automotive design and mid-century performance upgrades, creating a distinctive custom vehicle with strong character. Finished in a bold red exterior paired with a tan interior, this coupe captures attention with its classic proportions and hot rod styling. The body remains in excellent condition, showing solid construction and clean lines that reflect careful ownership over time. Power comes from a flathead V8 engine sourced from a 1950 Ford, giving this vintage coupe a significant boost in performance compared to its original configuration. The engine is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission from a 1950s truck, delivering a traditional driving experience that enthusiasts will appreciate. The drivetrain combination provides dependable operation while maintaining an authentic old-school feel. Additional upgrades include a rear end that appears to be sourced from an S10, improving drivability and reliability. The vehicle is equipped with rack and pinion steering along with a straight axle front end, contributing to better handling characteristics. The braking system is in good condition, and the tires are well maintained, making the car road-ready. Overall, this Model T Hot Rod offers a solid foundation with tasteful modifications, making it a great choice for collectors or drivers seeking a classic car with added performance and personality. 7. 1932 Ford Roadster Custom Build. Price $85,499, located Danville, Ohio. This 1932 Ford Roadster Custom Build is an exceptional high-end hot rod that combines classic styling with serious performance engineering. Professionally built with a Brookville all-steel body, the car showcases outstanding craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. The exterior is finished in a deep blue tone accented by dual white racing stripes, giving it a timeless yet aggressive appearance. At the heart of this build is a powerful Ford 427 side-oiler engine from the mid-1960s, carefully assembled with high-performance components including JE pistons, a polished crankshaft, and a full crane valve train setup. Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads and dual 4-barrel carburetors enhance airflow and power delivery, while a custom exhaust system ensures strong performance and a distinctive sound. The engine is paired with a Borg-Warner T10 manual transmission, offering precise control and an engaging driving experience. The chassis is based on a Pete and Jake's platform, providing a solid and reliable foundation. Inside, the cabin features black leather seating, detailed trim work, and a modern audio system, blending comfort with classic design. Additional features such as custom wheels and performance suspension components complete the build. With low mileage and meticulous construction, this roadster stands as a premium example of a fully realized classic hot rod. 8. 1930 Model A Sedan. Price $23,000, located Bettendorf, Iowa. This 1930 Model A sedan is a well-crafted custom build that blends classic Ford styling with modern performance components, resulting in a dependable and unique street-driven hot rod. Featuring a steel body paired with fiberglass fenders, the car maintains its vintage silhouette while benefiting from practical upgrades that enhance durability and reduce weight. The overall condition reflects a clean and complete build, making it ready to drive and enjoy without the need for additional work. Power comes from a 3.8-liter Buick V6 engine equipped with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, delivering smooth and responsive performance. The setup is further enhanced by Grand National cylinder heads, providing improved airflow and efficiency. Chrome long-tube Sanderson headers and an aluminum radiator support both performance and cooling, ensuring the car runs strong under various driving conditions. The drivetrain includes a 350-turbo automatic transmission paired with a 9-inch rear end and coil-over suspension, offering a comfortable ride and solid traction. Up front, the dropped axle with disc brakes and rack and pinion steering provides improved handling and braking performance compared to stock configurations. Additional features such as a speedway wiring harness and locker floor shifter and emergency brake add reliability and a clean interior finish. Overall, this Model A sedan is a turnkey custom that combines classic design with modern engineering, making it an excellent choice for cruising or weekend shows. 9. 1931 Chrysler Coupe. Price $8,000, located Delta, Ohio. This 1931 Chrysler Coupe is a classic pre-war automobile that offers a solid foundation for restoration or custom hot rod development. With its black exterior and red interior, the car reflects the timeless styling of early American coupes, maintaining a vintage presence that stands out among collectors and enthusiasts. The steel body and fenders remain intact, providing an authentic base that is increasingly hard to find in today's market. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a Plymouth-sourced 6-cylinder engine, which runs and drives, making it a functional project rather than a non-running shell. The manual transmission adds to the traditional driving experience, allowing enthusiasts to fully engage with the mechanical character of this early-era vehicle. While it is operational, the car would benefit from further mechanical refinement to reach optimal performance. The body shows some age-related wear, including small dents, and the roof will require attention to be fully restored. Additionally, the door glass is missing, which will need to be replaced as part of the restoration process. Despite these needs, the overall structure remains solid and usable. With a good title and running condition, this Chrysler Coupe represents an affordable entry into classic car ownership, ideal for those looking to build a unique project or restore a rare vintage model. 10. 1928 Model A Tudor. Price $12,500, located Finchville, Kentucky. This 1928 Model A Tudor is a beautifully maintained example of early Ford engineering, offering a blend of originality and thoughtful restoration. The car presents with a classic vintage appearance, featuring clean body lines and a well-preserved structure that highlights its historical charm. The paint remains in good condition, giving the vehicle a respectable presence whether displayed at shows or driven on weekend outings. Under the hood, the original flathead four-cylinder engine has been rebuilt and has less than 50 miles since completion, ensuring dependable performance while maintaining authenticity. Paired with a manual transmission, the driving experience stays true to the era, providing a genuine connection to early motoring. The engine runs strong and smooth, making this car a reliable choice for enthusiasts who enjoy classic driving. The interior has been refreshed with new materials, improving comfort while still preserving its vintage feel. Additional upgrades include freshly powder-coated wheels and new chrome components on the front end, enhancing both durability and visual appeal. The car starts easily, drives well, and is ready for immediate enjoyment. Overall, this Model A Tudor is an excellent choice for collectors or first-time buyers seeking a classic car with original character, recent mechanical updates, and proven reliability. 11. 1946 Ford F1 truck. Price $18,000, located Berea, Kentucky. This 1946 Ford F1 truck is a unique classic pickup that combines vintage styling with modern mechanical upgrades, making it a practical and reliable driver. Finished in a green exterior, the truck retains its classic post-war appearance while incorporating a custom chassis that enhances overall performance and comfort. Powering this build is a 4.3-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth operation and dependable performance. The drivetrain setup makes the truck easy to drive, whether cruising around town or taking longer trips. One of the standout features is the Corvette-sourced independent suspension system, which significantly improves ride quality and handling compared to original configurations. The custom chassis provides a solid foundation, ensuring stability and durability. This truck is described as very reliable, making it suitable for regular use rather than just occasional shows. Its blend of classic looks and modern components creates a balanced driving experience that appeals to both collectors and enthusiasts. Overall, this 1946 Ford F1 represents a well-thought-out custom build that delivers classic truck styling with improved drivability, making it an excellent option for those seeking a vintage vehicle that can be enjoyed on the road.